To a primetime news follow-up now on the issue of child labor in Jamaica, which is rising island-wide. Amidst that discovery, some of the people who should be providing supervision believe nothing is wrong with children working. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has more in this report.
It's a Wednesday afternoon in downtown Kingston. As people go about their businesses, children loiter. It's not easily noticed at first, but if you look closely, you would notice some of these children are actually selling.
More time through the parents, them want help still, you know what I mean? Not really safe, but some of the time and the worse again, the father got left the mother and thing, and the mother fair try, you know?
But allowing children to sell in downtown Kingston exposed them to danger, as Maxine further explained.
Enough of that go on. And sometimes you have them down there and explosion go on. Sometimes the way you frighten them, you run, you don't know which direction them there, and them don't know which direction you there.
Not only do they sell in the streets, but it's popular in Coronation Market. These children were with their mother.
I have no one to keep them today.
Shelley is another vendor who plies her wares in Coronation Market. She pointed out that she has seen children as young as 8 years old walking through the market selling small items.
What about people like you reporting it though? You say you see it, why you don't report it?
It's not my kids them.
It's not your kids, but wouldn't you want someone to look out for your child?
No, my child them go to school and stay in. Watch cartoon or them homework.
So because it's not your matter, you're not going to report it?
No. See, I'm blind and here and there.
A study done by Statin in 2016 showed that over 38,000 children were working island-wide. We found one person who was a victim of child labor, but he doesn't even see himself as a victim. Orion owns a shop on Darling Street in downtown Kingston, and he told us he started selling on the streets of Kingston when he was 5.
When I go to school, see there, my old lady, she never had to have it like that. You see me? So we have to always out there, I feel like my brother and sister them. You see me? So from me know myself, I hustle.
Like when you used to work, you don't wish that you were playing with your friends or something at that time? Like I feel like you're missing out on the childhood.
Yeah, sometimes when I look a boy, you want to go play football more and say, but football and them things you come after a while. After you learn the street knowledge of the street. Because that's not teaching at school. The boy not teaching the street knowledge. I in the street teacher. If you learn that, you can do anything else in the world. You can go anywhere in the world.
Is it a case where Jamaica is just blindly following the International Convention Against Child Labor? Or is it that some children have to help to sustain themselves?
When you think of a child below the age of 13 years old engaging in work, remember a child age 12 is not yet fully developed. So a child going out there to work for pay at that tender age, that child should be at school getting an education.
Director of Child Labor in the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, Sasha Dare Gordon, explained that the government is looking to make amendments to the Child Care and Protection Act so children can do light work. But how?
So we're looking at a sales clerk, supermarket, working in a supermarket, in terms of packing up the bags, in terms of changing some of the items on the display shelf. Age 15 can also do childcare in terms of nursing, taking care of a child, not less than 9 months. Also home chores, because that is something that I know has been causing a sort of stir when persons hear about children not being allowed to work. Yes, we are saying home chores, but the work that the child is engaged in, it has to be age appropriate.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.